Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm going to address some of the tech questions that we get on a day-to-day basis. Here at G-Force, we're the home of the patented Crossmember, right? So we get a lot of calls about engine swaps, transmission swaps, etc. And so one of the questions that we get a lot is, hey, I'm doing an LS swap, will such and such crossmember work for that application? All of our crossmembers are designed around the stock bell housing location, so whether that was an old school small block Chevy, big block Chevy, something like that, the position of the trans mount is designed off of that. Now, a lot of times when you do an LS swap, it does move the engine forward 1 to 2 inches. So our solution to that is our adjustable transmission mount. So this thing slides forward and rearward, and it accounts for that change in front to back distance. It has the spacing of the trans mount, or the mount on the transmission on top, and then the studs on the bottom that go into the crossmember. So you would take this and bolt it to your transmission, and as you can see, there is an offset from the trans mount to the studs, and that will allow for the misalignment of your engine swap. So another tech question that we get a lot is, what kind of drivetrain angle do I need? Or what transmission mount should I use? We like to recommend about a 3-degree drivetrain angle for most swaps. And depending on the transmission, sometimes that can be hard to obtain with a standard height transmission mount. So what I like to recommend is purchasing our shorter transmission mount. So we have 2 of these. One is 1 and 5/8 height, and then our extra short low profile trans mount is even shorter. So I recommend the short transmission mount along with our shim kit. So these are just stamped aluminum shims, and it allows you to fine tune your drivetrain angle. So that's a little overview of some of the tech calls that we get and some solutions to everyone's problems. So if you want to check out more about our crossmembers and any new products, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.